In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Canon Image Class MF244DW printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you're done typing, proceed to the best matched and click on this open option to continue. So if two windows are showing up, close the other so that we can focus in this first one. So we just have to wait until everything would be set. And once everything already here, please navigate to the search bar and type for Canon space imaged class space MF244DW space driver. Once you're done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be navigated to the result. So from here, all you need to do is you need to let me just edit my typo first and click on the enter key. So just have to proceed with the first one. Click on it and eventually you'd be redirected to this kind of window. And from here, all you need to scroll down is, just scroll down and you would be located with this compatible operating system. There you can see the Windows 11 that is being automatically detected. Now, please proceed to the second attachment link, which is this one. So click on it and you can see there a download option. Just click on this download so that you can now start on the downloading process. So just have to navigate at the upper right side of that. You can see there a download icon and wait until this would be finished before we can proceed to the installation. Once it is being downloaded, click on this folder icon to show it in the folder or to the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Then all you need to do is you need to make a right click on it and click on this cut icon. The moment you have cut on it, you just have to close the window, and from here make a right click and go with the spaced icon. So the moment you have successfully moved it to the desktop, all you need to do is we need to extract this specific file. So let me just close the window and let me just move it here to the center. So from here, make a right click, okay, and wait until the second to the last option would be available. So once it's here, go with extract to, and it will now start on the extraction of this specific file. So once a new file folder is being created, meaning we have successfully extracted it, you need to proceed to the button search bar here and type for settings. Once you're done typing, please wait until a best match should appear. Okay, and once it's here, click on Open to continue. So from here, please navigate to the left side of that. You can see there are a list of the option. Please locate for Bluetooth and devices. And from here, under the Bluetooth and devices, please click on the devices. And you need to scroll down and locate for more devices and printer settings. So from here, please navigate to the upper left side of the screen. You can see there add a printer. Click on it. And eventually this kind of window would show up. Go with the printer that I want is enlisted and add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. And from here, click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So it could be 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Once you're good, click on next and go with half disk and click in a browse. From here, navigate to the desktop and look for the extracted file, double tap to it. Okay, and go with the drivers, double tap to it once again. Go with the X64, just double tapped. Okay, so just have to double tap to it. And no item matched from the search, don't worry. All you need to do is you need to select the other one, double tap to it. And if no items matched on the search, don't worry again. Okay, no worries for that. You just have to click on the desktop, double tap once again, and from here, just find here the driver. Okay, so let's find it. So we just have to navigate again to this one. Okay, so UFRII, go with this. UK underscore, then it will show you, then the driver, then here the driver. Okay, just click on open. Okay, and click on the OK, and it will show up here. Okay, so we just have to scroll down and locate for our MF244. So we just have to scroll down and locate for it. Okay, so 240 is similar with 244. So no worries for that. Click on next, and we just have to rename that into MF244. So click on OK or next, and it will now start on J installation. Now we just have to wait until this would be finished. Your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue to the installation. So we just have to wait for a couple of few minutes before this can be completed. Once done, please allow for printer sharing. So click on next. Go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Canon MF244 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.